Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the top view of the model, and here is the right view, and here is the front view, and we'll get help from these dimensions to design this 3D model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions. Firstly, I have to close this model. For closing the model in SolidWorks, just come to the close, and we have to now make a new part. For making a new part, just come to the new part. Okay, now we have a new part. Firstly, I'm going to draw the sketch of the front view, then we'll extrude the sketch, and finally we will make a cut extrude on the top side of the model. So for drawing a sketch we need a plane, and in this program we have three standard plane: front plane, top plane, and right plane. At first it doesn't matter which plane choose, but I will use the front plane. So click on the front plane and click on the sketch to make a new sketch. Now the sketch is open. You can see the sketch, and here choose line. I'm going to start drawing the sketch from the origin point. So here I click on this orange point and I draw a line, and here we have a horizontal line. So here I draw a horizontal line, and you can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the horizontal relation will be applied to my line. So here I draw another line, and I connect this line to this one, and I right click and select to exit the line. This line here is horizontal, so I click on this line. I think I exited the sketch. So here click on the sketch and click on this sketch to come to back to your sketch. Here click on this line, and in add relation click on horizontal relation. Now choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the point here is 30 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 60 millimeter, and the dimension from this line to this line is 70 millimeter. The sketch is not still fully defined because this line is still moving. So here choose a smart dimension, and the dimension of this line is let me see, the dimension of this line is 150 millimeter. And the sketch is fully defined. Now what we have to do is just offset these lines. So here choose offset entities and choose this line, and be careful, you have to turn on the selection. It means that if you click on this line, all the following line will be chosen if it is connected to this line. So here turn on the reverse, and you have to offset these lines about 10 millimeter. And okay, now come to the feature. If you don't have the feature tab, you can simply right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab, and in hide and show items you can turn on or turn off the sketch view relations or the dimensions. So here comes the feature, and click on extrude boss and base, and in selected contour choose this region, and in direction 1 choose mid plane, and we have to extrude the sketch about 100 millimeter, and click on OK. Yes, let me see. It is yes, you can see it is 100 millimeter. In the view orientation, you can change many different views. For example, this view or this isometric view. So you can change many different views in the view orientation. So here click on this surface, the top side of the model. I'm going to make a cut extrude on this surface. So right click, and here click on a sketch. Don't click on edit a sketch, click on a sketch. Now here in view orientation click on this view. Yes, here choose a corner rectangle and start drawing the rectangle from this line, and draw a rectangle, and right click and select. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to this point is 20 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 60 millimeter. and the sketch is not still fully defined. You can see it is still moving. Remember that your sketch must be fully defined. If it is not fully defined, your sketch is not complete. So here, choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this line is 100 millimeter. And okay, here come to the feature and click on extruded cut, and here choose selected contour and choose these two regions, and here click on through all, and don't turn on these two options, and click on OK. Now here we have the model. Now all we have to do is just apply a color. So here hold the control button and choose this extrusion and this one, and in edit appearance, for example, we can choose many different colors. For example, purple, blue. I think this color is better. Or we can change the color of the surfaces. For example, we can simply hold the control button and we can choose many different surfaces, and in edit appearance we can change the color, for example, to red. So you can see the color has changed to red. And in view orientation, for example, we can choose this view, or let me see what view we have. Here we have many different views. For example, this view. And I will leave the link of this dimension in the caption. Please practice at home and do it yourself. I have uploaded over 60 videos on my YouTube channel about designing in SolidWorks, drawing, sketch, and many other things. Please watch those videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching this video.